We'll guide you through how to pair a replacement AirPod 4. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Perhaps you went and lost one, and so now you want to go and set this new one up with your existing setup. First of all, put the AirPod into the case and go and close the case. And what you need to do is plug it in. Let it charge for 25 minutes, so go and wait. In the meantime, come onto your phone. Open up settings and go and tap on Bluetooth. Find your AirPods and press I to the right, and you can tap forget this device and confirm your decision. After 20 minutes has passed, open up your AirPods. If the case is flashing white, you can skip this. If it isn't, double tap the light, then double tap it again, and then again. You'll then hear it beep, and it'll go and start flashing orange. Go and wait. When it's finished, it will start flashing white, and if it was already flashing white, that's fine as well. You can then go and close them, you can go and unlock your phone, and you can go and open up the case like so. Then you should go and get the connect pop-up, which you can then go and tap on like so. After they successfully connected, that should be it. You've now gone and paired them. If you found this useful, then leave a like.